So assume you are a customer. Okay. Suppose you are a customer and you are TechPledge Consulting.
This one, continue, you can click on.
Yeah. Or you are maybe a Wipro. Or you are maybe Infosys.
Yeah. Okay. 1 second. Can you click on this continue? I think I'm not able to see the screen.
Is done now? Okay. Okay. So you now decide to use Microsoft Azure, okay, for your company.
Okay.
So what is the first thing you have to do? First thing, you have to sign up with Microsoft for Azure services.
Okay.
Okay. So let me give you an example. You are a Wipro. So when you sign up, what will happen?
Okay.
You sign up, Azure will create an account for you, and this account will mostly take your name. So if you, during the sign up, if you give Wipro, it will take Wipro, and then it is going to use something called on Microsoft.com.
Okay, company name dot
on Microsoft. Yes. So what we generally call it? We generally call it as a root tenant, or you can say org account, or root tenant, or root management. Any name you can refer it. What is Wipro dot on Microsoft.com is an org account or root tenant or a root management group. Okay. So generally how we refer them. Now in your case, what is your org account name, root tenant name, or root management name? Let's see now. So when you go to your Azure, you have something which is called a 3 dot here. Okay. When you drop down, you are going to see something called Azure Active Directory.
Okay.
When you click it here, it is going to display you what is your root tenant name or root management account name or something like that. So what it is taking, so it will take your name dot on Microsoft.com.
Oh.
Clear? And what we call it? A tenant. So what you are? Tenant means a rent, right?
Location.
Tenant means a renter.
Yeah. Tenant means for rent. Rent.
It's a renter. You are not going to own that data center. You are one of the renter, right? So till the time you pay the rent, you will stay there. The moment you stop paying rent, you are out from there, correct?
Yes.
Yes. So you see now what is your root tenant name? For any company, how will you verify what is their root tenant name or organization account name? How you come?
Company name plus company name.
Yeah. From where you are going to check? You have to come to
home and then this one active.
Active
Directory.
Clear? Now let's say for an example, this is Wipro. You know how Wipro do the business. So Wipro has majorly three business division. The primary division is Wipro Software. Okay. Second division is Wipro Support, where they provide support, technical support to the customer. Third one is called Wipro Electrical. You know, Wipro also made bulb.
Yeah.
Yeah, Wipro Electrical. Now, these three parts, 1, 2, and 3, for any company, if they have a this type of multiple business, for example, TechPledge Consulting has a 3 business: training, consulting, recruitment. Okay. This is called management group. What do we call it?
Management.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, let's see how we are going to create management group to map the business of a company inside Microsoft Azure. Go back to Azure now. Go to Azure portal. On top, you see there is a search box. Type here management group. Good. So you do not have as such as of now. So let's say start using management group. Type here Wipro. What is the first management group for them? Wipro development, है ना? Wipro software.
Software.
Yeah. Copy and paste the same name below.
Hey, sorry.
Copy and paste the same name below.
Oh my.
And say submit.
Wipro software. Okay.
Repeat the process.
Oh, each and every company then, not only Wipro, even now I'm in IBM.
Yeah.
If I'm moving my system, means my servers to Azure, we need to have the management groups first.
Yeah, because every business is responsible for their own profit and loss, right? Correct, no?
Okay.
So if some division create a server, their cost must be associated with them, correct?
Okay, but little bit confusing. How will? Okay, so why is reader level access?
What are you saying there?
Let us see afterwards.
Okay, just create it again. Second is Wipro support. Yeah. Then you have a Wipro electrical.
Electrical.
Got that now?
Yeah. It's coming here, I guess. Wipro support, software support has come, electrical has to come still. It will take some time. Here it's running.
Yes. So it means that every company business need to be mapped in Microsoft Azure, right?
Yes.
How it will happen? It is called Wipro software, Wipro support, Wipro electrical.
Every company.
Now the same thing when you are using in AWS is known as organization unit. What do we call it?
Okay. OU here. Okay.
Where it is in
AWS. That brackets you put organization unit there. After that, in front of that, please put AWS.
Yes. Now let's say, for example, the Wipro software is having a two kind of a business segmentation. One is called domestic.
Okay.
Another was called international. So domestic means they only serve the domestic customer. And second, which is serve the international customer. Same way might be Wipro support is for
Yeah,
other,
okay.
right?
Yeah.
This is called subscription.
Mm.
In AWS, we call it as an account. Clear now?
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Now
These are
let's see
these are under
management
management
group.
group. Management group. You're
Yes.
telling, right?
So now let's go and search here subscription. So you have currently only one subscription, right?
Free trial.
Right?
Huh.
Yeah. So if you want to add more subscription, how will you do that? You have to click add.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Checking your offer eligibility.
Since you are not a company, you are an individual. So
Huh.
they are going to present different option, right?
Ha.
Right. You can click the other one, all other offers
All other
below.
offers.
So these are the so many options for you, right?
Ha.
But for a company, they have a lot many options visible to them, right?
Okay.
Okay. So for you to go for another subscription, you again have to use your credit card.
Oh.
But for customer, it's not a credit card. They generally work on invoice basis. Okay.
Oh. Okay. For taking subscriptions, this is.
Yeah. They do not have to use their credit card because company does not have a credit card, right?
Okay.
Like you get your invoice yesterday from us, right?
Ha.
Same. Microsoft work on invoice basis. But you understand subscription now?
Yeah.
Yeah. So go back to your Azure again. Go back to your management group.
Management groups, close this.
You able to see there is only one subscription available to us. That is a free trial, right?
Yes.
Right. So let's say, for example, this free trial is a part of Wipro software. So how will you do that? You have a three dot after the free trial, last, on top, on free trial, below, free trial. Yes. Click move.
Oh, you have to move this.
Yeah.
Why Wipro software support Wipro electrical? Something was not come. Wipro electrical is not come.
Refresh it.
But means this one, right? Just 2 minutes. That's all. Or else I'll create off. Electrical, no. 1 second. Add subscription, no. Management groups.
Say create.
That's what I'm seeing. Where is it?
On
First
top.
time I create this one, right? Create Wipro electrical. Wipro software. Wipro, why? Electrical control submit update group successing. Okay, update group succeed. Okay,
Refresh it.
that's what it will take some time, because in the coaching also they were showing it takes time. It might take time. Okay.
It will take time. Yeah, no problem. So do the free trial and move it.
I'm not able to understand what is this Subscription means anything. If you want to run that Wipro software, that management groups, under that, if it has anything, it has to be subscribed or what? That is the meaning.
Yes, exactly.
If you don't have that, you can leave it.
No, if you don't have, then you can't do anything, right? You need this one.
Yeah.
Move to any one of them, okay? Because you have only one.
Can't suppose that.
Why error.
Saying fail.
Add subscription and failed error.
कौन सा कर
कितना देना?
शायद 8,000
1000.
हाँ स्कूल
मम्मा से पूछ लो पिन क्या है. Yes, now it has been moved.
Yeah, it's been moved now.
Your electrical also come.
Yeah, electrical also come now. Subscription now move.
You already moved already.
1 second. Move Wipro support to new parent management group. Wipro support. Oh no. That subscription now, whatever we have added, I just wanted to see whether I can move that to any other from here.
Yeah.
Click on. Oh, this one I need to move.
Yeah.
Support software. Okay. This is one group. This is one management group. If you have another management group, you can move it. Example, Wipro support, Wipro electrical. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Wipro support, Wipro electrical. Wipro support. Right click. Move to Wipro software support. Okay. Oh. Software.
You actually move the whole management group itself.
So this one is subscribed now, right?
Yeah.
In this we can see total subscription 1.
Correct.
Yes, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay now. Yeah, you can go ahead.
Now, domestic business also. So let me put it a name now. So for example, top level is handled by Ajim Premji. You know the name? Software is handled by, let's say, for example, Mr. Rohit.
Okay.
Wipro business head is, let's say, Mr. Bansal. Wipro electrical business head, let's say, for an example, Mr. Ravi. The domestic head of Wipro software is headed by, for an example, I can say Lokesh.
Something Raju, Rajesh, Ravi.
I'm not able to type. Can you type Lokesh?
Hello?
Also not? Yeah. Now let's say international is managed by Miss Priya.
Okay.
All right. Now for a domestic, they again divided this into South India, West India, North India.
Okay.
So this is North, this is South, This is West.
Okay.
So both AWS, Azure or Google, they are known as
Resource groups.
all right.
Okay.
Now, where this resource group you are going to create under subscription. Correct?
Yes, yes, yes.
Subscription is under where? Under management group. Where the management group under root management, right? You understand the hierarchy now?
Yeah.
Now, if you have to create a server, for example, the North India require one application to run for their customer. So they need one server. So they might create one VM, one database, right?
Yeah.
Right. So
Yes.
every costing going to be tagged where? On this North one.
Okay.
So let's say running this VM costs 10,000 rupees. Okay. So this 10,000 rupees, who is going to pay? This North division. Now let's say this North division is going to be managed by Rajesh.
Anybody?
So Rajesh is responsible for this payment of this virtual machine or DB. You get the whole point now? So when Azim Premji is going to get a bill after end of the year from Microsoft 1 crore. So who is going to pay this 1 crore, 2 crore rupees of bill? Azim Premji, Rohit, Bansal, Ravi, who? Because someone have to pay, right?
Azim Premji only or Rajesh?
Azim Premji is paying this money.
Azim Premji, company head.
You understand business little bit?
No, okay, tell me.
No problem. Okay, remember how the people do a business. Okay, for example, you know when you actually go more senior, when you actually go into the senior of your hierarchy. Okay, so your package will divide into, you can say 70 plus 30 ratio. Means 70% variable, 30% fixed. When you are junior, when you are engineer, when you are a different level, then your salary is reverse. Almost 70 to 80% fixed, 20% might you have some incentive or some other, right? Correct? But the moment you become senior, it is going reverse. So for an example, Rohit has a target that they have to earn 100 crore. This we generally call it as a revenue. What do we call? What do we call? Revenue. Out of the 100 crore, revenue, yeah. Out of the 100 crore, their target is 10 crore, which is called profit. So rest 90 crore, it might be expense, like office expense, salary expense, all this Rohit have to maintain. Once the Rohit done the 100 crore and 10 crore profit, Rohit is going to get 10% of incentive. So how much the 10%? Clear now?
Okay.
So it means that let's assume Rohit has done 100 crore. Rohit also earned 10 crore rupees of profit. So Rohit is going to claim that I need 1 crore as an incentive, right or wrong?
Yeah.
Right?
Right.
But now Azim Premji is going to ask Rohit, have you calculated every expense? He say, yes, I have calculated salary expense. I have calculated this expense. I have calculated that expense. I have calculated every expense. They say that, but I get a bill of Microsoft 2 crore. Can you check what the Wipro software total expenditure. So let's say he said that to run my business of Wipro software, I have consumed out of 2 crore, 1 crore I have done. Bansal says that I done 80 lakhs. Ravi said that I am fantastic, I am only done 20 lakhs. Now, Ajim Premji says that you have to foot this bill of 1 crore, right? So it means that out of their 10 crore profit, 1 crore gone. So what is the total profit?
9 crore.
9 crore. Now, since he does not meet the target, so he is not eligible for 10% incentive. He is eligible only for
50 lakhs.
not 50 lakh. It's
Sorry.
not 10 crore, no, it's 9 crore. So how much he is going to get? Approximately 42.5 lakhs.
Oh, 9 crore.
Look at that, the person, how much impact they have, right? They have a plan that I am going to buy a penthouse. So all their plan is go haywire, right? They have a plan that they are going for a family trip to Singapore. All their plan go haywire because now they are getting less money.
Okay.
So what the Rohit will then do? They will call Lokesh and Priya. Lokesh, Priya, tell me that you guys, how much expense you have done? Now let's say Lokesh say that, sir, out of the 1 crore, 80 lakhs done by me. Priya says that I done 20 lakhs. So what exactly Rohit is going to tell to Lokesh? Lokesh, number one, you forget about your increment for next 10 years, 3 years. No salary increment for you. You have to also remove 2 or 3 resources from your team because we have to make up that money now. No hiring.
Okay.
You understood now, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then Lokesh is pitched up. Lokesh is going to call north, south, and west head. Who is going to spend so much money? Now, let's say, for example, Rajesh said that out of the 80 lakhs, 50 lakhs is done by me. South said that I only done 18 lakhs. And rest balance is this one. So what Lokesh is going to tell to Rajesh? Mr. Rajesh,
50 lakhs.
I do not need your service. Thank you very much. Put your paper, go away. Because you are not able to control the expenses. And because of your problem, my increment was stopped. Not only my increment was stopped, I also come into the bad book of Rohit, which is my boss. You now impact the whole, right?
Yes.
This is what exactly you have to understand where you are working. So 90% people think that Azure means I can do anything. No, you can't. One single step may impact the whole organization.
Yeah.
Right? If you create one server, it might going to give a huge bill depending upon. So there is a lot of checks and balances in the organization, right? You can't do this. You can only do this. You have to take proper approval.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Clear now?
Yeah.
Clear the hierarchy now?
Yeah.
Correct?
Yeah.
So this is how exactly we are going to work on Microsoft Azure. So very first fundamental for you. You have to understand, you as an administrator, when you are going for any company, they might ask you a question. Have you ever worked on Azure? If you say yes, then they might ask you another question. How generally you create your server, your resources? The moment you answer that, no, I can create any server, I can create any resource, that they will say, thank you very much. I know you have a very good knowledge, but we do not need a knowledgeable person here. We need a responsible person here. Correct? Got my point?
Yeah.
So it means that working on cloud means more responsibility, since it is a per second billing.
Yes.
Correct? No? So if you switch on your light, fan, and AC 24/7, you are going to get a lakhs of bills, right?
Yes.
So you must be very cautious when you are using the lights at your home itself, because it's a per second billing in the light itself, right?
Now, what would you tell that if they ask, where would you create the VM?
I
We
want,
need to-
I get a proper ticket approval, and whatever the instruction has been given, that I only follow.
Uh,
I don't apply my brain, right?
oh. We can tell options, that's all, but we can't apply.
Yeah, we can't apply. You can't apply, because what the moment you apply your brain and you do something which is extra, it is going to cost.
That's what. So we can just tell him about VM. What is it
Yeah, exactly.
you can tell him I need the appropriate group, subscriptions, response group, resource group,
Yeah.
all those things I require.
Yes.
And I require proper approvals, right?
Yeah, proper approval. Even to do a small hard disk, you need a proper approval. It's clear now.
Yeah. How are they going then, companies? I'm not able to understand with so many servers. Okay, let's see.
Correct, no? This is how exactly every divisional head have their roles responsibility to keep their budget in check. Correct?
Yeah.
Otherwise, whatever they earn, they're only going for Microsoft. Right, no?
Yeah, got it.
Clear with the hierarchy?
Yeah.
Perfect. So
Yeah,
we
yeah.
are going to start second one tomorrow. The second architecture of Microsoft, that is called high availability architecture.
Okay.
Save this one.
Exactly. Yes, I want to say what was this actually? What we
call it as a management architecture.
Let me see spellings afterwards. It's not a problem. Spelling.
Yeah. No.
I'll check afterwards.
Just create one folder, maybe
Yes.
text.
Yes, I'll do.
You
I'm
put
not
everything there.
Yes. Because that one I can do afterwards. Now I know how to mark also day one, because now this video is recorded in that whatever
yes.
you showed me there.
Yeah.
It is there, but is it showing as day one? Will it be showing as day one? No, right?
No.
Okay, 1 second, just 2 minutes. I subscriptions, no. Management, no. Where was it? 1 second. Modules, no. Where is it? How to go? 1 second. Your video. YouTube. 1 second. Don't tell me. Let me, because I need to remember. That is the main thing. YouTube, or else I'll playlists. Okay. Little bit slow. It is when we have lots of graphic pages. It's slow. Tech plates, right? Yeah. Okay. Now come below. Data, tech plates, consulting. Playlists. Okay. Where is it? How to see mine now?
No, your will be uploaded in a next weekly basis. Okay.
Okay. So here, how to search mine means how to search mine here, right?
Yeah. No, you just when you open that, it will by default show your name first.
This one, here like this.
Yeah. You will get your name, Lokesh, as your admin.
Okay. Lokesh admin. Okay. So I need to, means I don't have any option to search. That's all. Like this here.
Here you can search only videos.
That's what I wanted. Videos only. Okay. Playlist you can't search. So you need to check properly like this. Where is mine?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thanks. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. So see you tomorrow. Catch you tomorrow again. Same time.
Yeah. Tomorrow, same time, right? Yeah.
Same time.
Okay. Thank you very much. Bye.